For your home first aid kit, ensure you have bandages and adhesive tape of various sizes for cuts and scrapes. Antiseptic wipes are essential for cleaning wounds. Include gauze pads for larger injuries, scissors for cutting tape or clothing, tweezers for splinter removal, pain relievers like ibuprofen, a thermometer, and gloves for protection. In your car first aid kit, pack an emergency blanket for warmth during breakdowns, a flashlight with extra batteries, and a first aid manual for quick guidance. Include an instant cold pack for sprains, burn cream for minor burns, a CPR face shield for safe resuscitation, and a multi-tool like a Swiss Army knife for versatility. Your workplace first aid kit should be well-stocked and accessible. Include eye wash solution for eye accidents, sterile dressings for larger wounds, and a resuscitation mask for CPR. Hydrocortisone cream is useful for rashes or insect bites, safety pins, secure bandages or slings, and antibiotic ointment prevents infection. A workplace-specific first aid guide is essential.